How to see someone's location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, location sharing on iPhone requires mutual consent. Both the parties must agree to share their locations. So, if both of you are Apple users, then you can go to your Messages app, go to the conversation where you want to see someone's location, and then go to the plus icon on the bottom left corner, scroll down, tap on location, and you will see the request option. So, you can tap on request if you want to see someone's location, send it, and that person must accept your request, and then only you'll be able to see their location. So, I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.